Assalamualaikum. Standard 5th, Subject English, Unit 1, page number 40. Words we know. Read each word in the following table at glance. नीचे दिए हुए जदोल के हर लफ्ज को एक ही नजर में पढ़िए. Let's start. A, and D, and. M, Y, my. W, H, E, R, E, where. H, I, M, him. W, I, T, H, with. T, H, I, S, this. O, F, off. A, L, L, all. T, H, E, M, them. N, O, no. H, E, R, have. H, I, S, his. O, N, E, one. T, H, E, R, E, there. O, U, R, our. T, H, E, the. A, N, Y, any. N, O, W, no. E, V, E, R, Y, every. I, F, if. W, H, A, T, what. S, O, M, E, some. W, I, T, H, O, U, T, without. A, N, N. W, H, O, who. Y, O, U, R, your. B, Y, by. H, O, W, how. U, S, us. T, H, A, T, that. T, H, E, N, then. T, H, E, I, R, there. M, E, me. B, U, T, but. H, WHENLY only. WHEN when. Homework. From the chart, the words that begin with T with W. जदोल से T या W से शुरू होने वाले अल्फाज तलाश कीजिए। Thank you.